Welcome to University English 2. When writing a literature review, getting started is often the hardest part. In this video, we'll focus on moves 1 and 2 to help you begin effectively. Move 1 is the aperture of writing, where you establish the importance of your topic and the issue that motivates you to write. Your reader needs a reason to engage with your topic. Move 2 is where key concepts are introduced to readers. You can think of this part as answering many "what is" questions. For example, what is the nature of data analytics? What is storytelling? What is digital art? Let's take a look at the different sample writing. The course book contains 3 writing exemplars, all of which are Move 1s. They are good writing models for you to follow. Let's take a closer look at them. The key point about Move 1 is to ease into your topic through a general introduction. Start with some general sentences, supported by citations in brackets. Be sure to mention the issue that led to your review. Your teacher wants to know why you are writing it. Next, your purpose statement should specify a few goals you aim to achieve. For example, you might aim to review certain concepts or describe a specific theory. Use action verbs. The final part of Move 1 is to preview the structure of your literature review. The ultimate goal is to effectively communicate your main points to the reader. The second exemplar follows a similar structure. Notice that the keywords at the top outline the key points of the literature review. The writer begins with an information-focused sentence, meaning the citation is placed at the end of the sentence to support the claim. There are a few aim statements included, and at the end, the writer provides a preview of the entire literature review. In the third LR, the writer begins with an information-focused sentence. There are numerous citations, which greatly strengthen the first sentence. In this example, the writers emphasize the history of digital humanities. The use of time words provides a coherent introduction. The word "yet" introduces the current issue. There is a debate about what reality means for different people. This is a good writing approach. These writers try to make their work easy to read by including pictures or images. Please ensure that you properly cite any diagrams or images to indicate their source. Moving on to Move 2. In LR1, the writers define the term using italics, which draws the reader's attention to the key point being introduced. The word "involves" is also a good choice for defining terms. It means about, but is more formal. The writer then includes a direct quote to further explain what creativity is through others' words. This will enrich the reader's understanding and provide more context. In LR2, the writers provide a generalization and introduce value creation theory. This theory includes the 5 V's. Once again, the use of italics helps emphasize the definitions. If you look at the diagram in your course book, you'll see that the 5 V's are arranged in a specific order. They are not random. What you can learn from LR2 is that you should be very logical when introducing terms. In LR3, the writers take a more subtle approach to introducing terms. They begin by stating that the relationship between tourism and heritage is paradoxical. Then they use phrases like "on the one hand," "on the other," "in turn," and "lead to" gradually unfold the concepts one by one. If you look at the diagram, it becomes clearer how one concept connects to another. This is not yet a coherent theory, so this part is not Move 3. Instead, they have introduced some basic concepts to the reader. That's all for now. Remember, you shouldn't rely solely on in-class teaching for input. Be sure to explore additional readings and review them after class.